You probably spend hundreds of hours watching guides, tutorials, lectures on YouTube. You feel productive while watching, but here's the truth. A week later, you've likely forgotten 80% of what you saw. It's an illusion of learning. You aren't actually learning. And I realized that I was in this cycle too. The issue isn't your willpower, it's the platform. YouTube is a marvel of engineering, but it's built for retention and not education. The algorithm is designed to keep you clicking and not stop you after a video and ask you, did you understand that? Or help you apply what you just saw. When you finish a tutorial, YouTube doesn't ask, did you get that? It asks, what can we show you next to keep you on the platform? I love learning new things, video editing, languages, coding, but without structure, learning on YouTube feels impossible. To actually master a topic, I feel like I had to watch 5 different videos on the same exact topic to hope that repetition would make it stick. It was inefficient, simply a waste of time. Then I actually looked at how cognitive science treats memory. According to the Ebbinghaus forgetting curve, we lose up to 70% of new information within 24 hours if we just passively consume it. But Roediger and Karpicke proved something fascinating. Taking just one short quiz after learning locks in so much more long-term memory compared to just re-watching the same content over and over again. You can save hours by just doing one simple quiz. This is called active recall. And the issue is that nobody wants to spend an additional 20 minutes per video just to write flashcards and practice them. The standard solution to this is running a bloated setup, a workspace for notes, Quizlet for flashcards, and a watch later playlist overflowing with videos you'll never watch again. But the friction of jumping between 3 different apps just to organize one video is why most people quit after only a few days. The system becomes a job in itself. So I built a system to eliminate this friction entirely. Instead of juggling apps, I drop in a YouTube video directly into a learning goal. The platform turns the video into an active study module. Instead of mindlessly clicking away in the next recommended video, I take a 5-second quiz right after watching. With integrated spaced repetition, it nudges me exactly when a concept is about to fade from memory. Finally, I'm actually keeping the skills I spent time trying to learn. I did not want to build another paywalled course platform. There's plenty of those out there. The best information is already out there for free on YouTube. All we need is a way to organize it and a way to actually retain this information. This project is open source. You can download the code, you can deploy it from your own server, bring your own API key and use it yourself, or you can support the development of this project by subscribing to our cloud service. We will organize the hosting. You can simply log in and use the service that way. Check the link in the description. That is where you will find more information on this project. And I hope to see you as a part of the future of Studiamo. Thank you.